Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, teacher of English in Government Girls High Secondary School, Nagaon, Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. Students, today I am going to teach you narration of universal truth, custom, proverb, and habitual truth. If there is universal truth, comma, custom, comma, proverb, comma, habitual truth inside double inverted commas or reported speech, even if there is reporting speech in past tense, but the tense of these number one custom, proverb, habitual truth, and universal truth require no change. See on board. Reporting speech is in past tense. Past tense. Reporting speech is in past tense and inside double inverted commas or reported speech. Reported speech. There is custom. There is custom, comma, proverb, comma, universal truth. Universal truth, comma, habitual truth. Habitual truth require no change in tense. No change in tense. So I repeat again. Reporting speech is in past tense and inside double inverted commas. See here, just like 66, it is beginning of double inverted commas, and just like 99, it is closing of double inverted commas. Or reported speech, here you read past participle. There is custom, comma, proverb, comma, universal truth, comma, habitual truth. Require no change in tense. I am taking one by one example. See all of you on board. He said, here comma, to separate reporting speech from reported speech, comma inverted comma begin, man is mortal. Man is subject to death. It is universal truth. What is it? It is universal, universal truth. So, universal truth require no change in tense in indirect narration. So, he said, reporting speech. To join reporting speech with reported speech, connective linking device, conjunction that is used. He said that here man, third person pronoun according to Sun formula require no change. Man and tense here although past tense, but it is not changed. Man is mortal. Today man is also subject to death. Subject to death. So this is the example of one. You can take another example. The sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west, the earth moves around the sun all are universal truth. That's why the tense of universal truth require no change even if reporting speech is in past tense. Number 2, custom. David said, comma, inverted comma beginning, just like 66 beginning, Christian celebrate Christmas. Christians celebrate Christmas. It is custom. Hindu celebrate Diwali. Muslims celebrate Eid. So what is this? It is custom. So custom required no change in tense. David said to join reporting speech with reported speech that Christian celebrate Christmas. Here and full stop. So it is custom require no change in tense. Now proverb. Teacher said here to separate reporting speech, comma is used, and here beginning of teacher said honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. So here, teacher, what is this? It is proverb. Tense of the proverb require no change. Here, indirect narration, teacher said that honesty. Here, H in capital letter, but indirect narration, small letter. HO, honesty is the best policy. If reporting speech is incomplete or reported speech is divided into two parts, then first we have to complete the reporting speech or the reported speech. Then after we have to make indirect narration. I am giving one example. Health, double inverted comma, said the teacher, comma, here double inverted comma begin, is well. So here it is also health is wealth, propelled on proverb, but it is divided into two parts. And we can say reported speech is divided into two parts. So first of all, one step we have to do. The teacher said, comma, inverted comma begin, health is wealth. Everybody knows health is wealth. Well done, proverb. So proverb required no change in tense. Also, the teacher, indirect narration, the teacher said that here H small, health is, here is, here C, past tense was, health is wealth. Fourth, habitual truth requires no change. He said, comma, inverted comma begin. I take bath regularly. I take bath regularly. What is this? It is habitual truth. Habitual truth. Ability to take bath regularly. So, indirect narration. He said that here, sun formula. So, first person pronoun is changed according to subject. He, see here, P-A-K-E-S. With third person pronoun, singular subject, he, she, it. Either S or ES is added in present tense. He takes bath regularly. So, today I have taught you indirect narration of habitual truth, custom, proverb, and universal truth. Thanks. See you tomorrow.